Hi, my name is Habak Dwale, and I'm here to talk to you about the Ogaden issue. Ogaden is located in eastern Ethiopia, and there's a genocide taking place in the Ogaden region today. The same genocide that took place in Darfur, the same genocide that took place in Rwanda is taking place in the Ogaden region. The only exception is that the international community and the international media focused on Darfur and Rwanda, but it's purposely neglecting the people of the Ogaden and their cause. Today there's a drought that's taking place in the Ogaden region, the same drought that Somalia is facing. But again, the international community and the international media is neglecting to focus on these issues. Ethiopia, under the government of Meles Zenawi, is committing acts of genocide against the people of the Ogaden. Why? Because the people of the Ogaden want the right to choose for themselves. They want to have the right to be free. They have no human rights. They are not allowed to publicly criticize the government. They are not allowed to state their opinion. Women in the Ogaden region are constantly raped. Why? Because the people of the Ogaden region want self-determination. They want peace. They want the same rights that you and I enjoy and everyone else in the world enjoys. The international community, the United Nations, is not doing its job to help the people of the Ogaden. They are not raising resolutions. They are not talking to the government. We need to speak for the people in the Ogaden region because there is no one speaking for them. Humanitarian agencies like the Red Cross, like Human Rights Watch, like MSF, they are not allowed in Ethiopia because the government is afraid that they might expose the genocide that's taking place there. The United States government, rather than talking to Ethiopia, seeing as they are allies on the war on terror, instead of talking to Ethiopia, they are sending millions and millions of our dollars to Ethiopia. What is Ethiopia doing with that aid? It is not going towards humans. It is not going towards the people of the Ogaden. It is not going towards ending the famine of dollars that go from our tax dollars are being used to subjugate the people of the Ogaden region. It's being used to rape our women. It is being used to bury our children. That money that is meant for helping our people is being used against them. And what is the world doing today? Nothing. The situation in Ogaden is exactly the same as what happened in Darfur. Women are being killed. Children are being buried. Why? For political reasons. It is genocide. Don't let anyone else tell you differently. The genocide in the Ogaden must end.
My name is Ilal Da'ala, and I'm here on the behalf of the Ogaden American community. And so the issue today we're talking about is the Ogaden issue, in which my sister just summed it up perfectly. Basically Ethiopia is using that aid that is given to them by the American people, by the American tax dollars, and by other countries to use it to oppress the Somali community in the Ogaden region. So today what I'm going to talk about is how can we move past this? How can we get involved with the issue? Because this is an issue, a human issue. It's not only one little section that has the problem, okay? It's justice. And this is what we need to do. We need to educate ourselves. We need to educate as many people as we can. We need to get our senators involved. We basically need to target the political side of Ethiopia and bring it to the American people. Because America does not know what's going on. They're using our tax dollars to oppress these people. So another thing is we have organizations going on and events going on in September 7th called Stop the Tax Dollars and the Blockade in the Ogaden region of Ethiopia. And this is something that we all should come out for. This is something we should support. These are the people that need our voice. They have no voice. They are silenced. They have been silenced for almost 200 years. It's time for them to get out of oppression. You need to educate yourself. That's all I'm going to do. Education is the power. Education is the key. Education is what raises our awareness. And we need to raise awareness in this. We need to bring it out. These people have no voices. These people will not have voices unless we stand up and we be their voice. Here's our contact information. We have several sites that you could go to. We're on Facebook. We have Justice for Ogaden. We have I Care Campaign. And we have Resolve Ogaden Coalition. their campaign site is also in there. Another places you can find us is resolveogadincoalition.org. These are places where you can get educated. So please continue your path of knowledge and go to these websites and like our pages. We have several events coming along. One is September 7th that's coming along called Stop the Tax Dollars and Blockade in the Ogaden region of Ethiopia. And this is a wonderful place. So we want you to come out. Everything, the date, the time is all on our website on Facebook. Twitters, we have 3 Ogaden and Twitter, so follow us. Thank you very much.
Allah